I would like to inform the learners, these videos are prepared for the beginners. In these videos, we are not going to give any Panini Sutras, and Panini Sutras will not be described here. The type of Sandhis, the rules, and the type of examples will be given. So if you want to learn it deeply, you can approach a teacher and learn with sutras. This is purely made for the beginners to understand what is a Sandhi. Thank you very much. Dhanyavada for listening. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and also forward these videos to other learners. Thank you very much. Dhanyavada. Welcome to our first lesson in the series of Sandhi. We are going to look Deerga Sandhi here. What is Deerga Sandhi? Let's see. Kindly watch our previous video. We start with Deerga Sandhi, the first video lesson in the series of Sandhi. First, we should know the rules. Rules at a glance. A short vowel or a long vowel joins with the same short vowel or a long vowel. Both the small or short vowel merge and form a single same long vowel. Example, a or a joins with a or a. Both short or long vowels merge and form the long vowel. That is a. Now it has become a single alphabet. Two vowels merge and form a long vowel. This is called Deerga Sandhi. Deerga means long. Let's go to the next slide. We understand the rule one by one. There are 4 rules in this Sandhi. Understand, the name of the Sandhi describes the nature of the Sandhi. Deerga means long. So what we say, Deerga means long, and we can understand vowels, long vowels. How the long vowels are formed, that we can understand in this Sandhi. A or a plus a or a. What do you mean? A or a, that is the first letter is ending of the first word. And second, a or a is the beginning of the second word. Remember. So these two merge together and become one single alphabet, a. So what do we understand? The long vowel is formed. Either short vowel or long vowel merge with each other and become one long vowel. That's why this is called long Sandhi, that is Deerga Sandhi. The rule 2, E or E plus again E or E. The first word should end with E or E. The second word should start with E or E. Then both the vowels merge with each other and become one long vowel. U or U plus U or U is equal to U. R or R plus R or R becomes one single long vowel, R. Let's move on to the examples. Now we move on to the example for the first rule. A or A plus A or A becomes A. Let's see. Hima plus Alayaha. That is, there are 2 words, Hima, Alayaha. Becomes Himalaya. Now you can understand how Himalaya, the word is formed. There are 2 words in this. One is Hima, another one is Alaya. The first word's ending letter is A. The second word's starting letter is A. A and A both merge and become a single alphabet, A. So Hima, the last letter A, plus A, the first letter of Alayaha, merge together and become A. So Hima becomes Hima. Answer, Himalayaha. Right? Can you see how it is given in the box? Same way it's given in the box. Let's move on to the examples. The example for this rule, Sukha Arti Sukharti, Surya Astaha Suryastaha, Tava Asha Tavasha, Hima Alayaha Himalayaha, Jala Agamaha Jalagamaha, Na Asti Nasti, Rama Atra Ramatra, Vidya Arthi Vidyarthi, Sa Api Saapi, Bhiksha Atanam Bhikshatanam, Vidya Api Vidyapi, Vidya Abhyasaha Vidyabhyasaha. Now we move on to the examples for the second rule. E or E plus again E or E becomes one long vowel E. Hari plus Ishaha Harishaha. First words ending letter is E. Second words first letter is E. E and E both merge and become E. Hari, the last letter is E. Ishaha, the first letter E. They both merge, become one single E. Hari becomes Hari. Answer, Harishaha. Okay, it is given in the words in the box. You can refer the box. More examples for this rule. Rule number 2. Muni Indraha Munindraha, Iti Iva Itiva, Hari Ishaha Harishaha, Muni Ishaha Munishaha, Gacchati Iti Gacchati Iti, Prati Iksha Pratiksha, Lakshmi Ishaha Lakshmishaha, Mahi Indraha Mahindraha, Rajani Ishaha Rajanishaha, Gauri Ishaha Gaurishaha, Nadi Ishaha Nadishaha, Mahati Icha Mahati Icha. Let's move on to the next example. Examples for the third rule. U or U plus U or U becomes one single long vowel U. Sadhu plus Uktam, Sadhuktam. Remember, it's not Sadhuktam. It is Sadhuktam, one long vowel. First words ending letter is U. Second words first letter is U. Again, both are short vowels. So U plus U both merge and become U. Sadhu, the ending letter is U. And then Uktam, the first letter is U. U plus U becomes U. Sadhu becomes Sadhu. The answer is Sadhuktam. It is well explained in the box. You can see. Now we move on to the examples, some more examples for this third rule. Sadhu plus Uktam, Sadhuktam. Su Uktihi, Suktihi. Sadhu Udayaha, Sadhudayaha. Banu Udayaha, Bhanudayaha. Vadhu Upadeshaha, Vadhupadeshaha. Vadhu Urja, Vadhurja. Let's move on to the final rule. Let's see one example. Pitru plus Rinam becomes Pitrunam. The first words ending letter is R. Second words first letter is R. The both short vowel R merge and become R, one long vowel. Pitru, the last letter is R. Rinam, the first letter is R. Become one long letter R. Pitru becomes Pitru. The answer is Pitrunam. Now we move on to some more examples for this rule. There are few examples, not much. Pitru plus Rinam, Pitrunam. Datru plus Rinam, Datrunam. Hotru plus Riddhi, Hotrudhi. Matru plus Rinam, Matrunam. I hope you might have enjoyed this. Give your comments without fail so that the next videos will be very interesting. Your comments will give us more energy to make more effective videos. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe. These videos may be forwarded to other learners. Thank you very much.